Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Air. Now you can see this is the M2 2022 and the chip is Apple M2 and the RAM is 16 gigabyte. Okay, the 30-inch and the storage is 1 terabyte. Okay, and you can see the cycle count of 4 and the battery capacity is 100%. And let me show you the graphics. Okay, you can see the graphics 10 cores and the CPU cores 8 cores and 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. Okay, and this is the midnight color. You can see the battery only cycle count only 4 times, so you can see the brand new keyboard and no scratches here. And okay, let me show you the logo surface. Okay, here's a little scratch here. 2022 M2 13-inch 16 gigabyte 1 terabyte. Okay, this color very easy to leave. You can see a fingerprint. Okay, okay, a little scratch, and let me show you the back. Okay, you can see a little dent here, a scratch, little scratches. Okay, here's also little scratches, and let me show you the charging port. Okay, I unplugged this. Okay, and you can see the charging port. Okay, no problem. The charging port. Fuel usage. Okay, you can see this side. No problem. Only here a little scratch, and here and here. Oh, here. Okay. Let me show you the 13-inch display. Lower battery. Okay. And let me change the wallpaper. The gray color. Okay, you can see the display, no problem. The display, no problem. And let me change another color. Okay, a brighter gray. Okay, no problem. The display is okay. The display is okay. And the red color, also no problem. The red color. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. This is the 13-inch M2, 16 gigabyte and 1 terabyte. Okay, and the battery is a good battery, 100%. Only used 4 times. Okay, this beautiful machine. Only here little scratches you can see, and here's a dent. Okay, here. Okay, only these 2 places. Okay, I'm Matt. See you in the next video.